In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal into your Wix website. Whether you're setting up an online store or just want the convenience of PayPal for services, this guide will help you seamlessly add this popular payment option. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once there, you should see your site's dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all things related to your site. This is where we will begin our integration process. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a variety of options. Click on the Settings tab. It's hard to miss, and it's where you'll configure many of your site's essential features. So when we're working on adding PayPal, this is exactly where we need to be. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Accept Payments. Clicking on this will take you to a section dedicated to setting up how you wish to receive payments from your customers. This section is vital, especially for businesses, as it allows you to establish secure and efficient payment methods. Now, once you're in the Accept Payments section, scroll through the options until you find PayPal. There should be a button labeled Connect right next to it. Click on Connect, and this will begin the process of linking your PayPal account to your Wix site. Now, at this point, you'll be asked to enter your PayPal email address. This should be the same email that you use to log into your PayPal account. Ensure it's correct because this email is what connects your actual PayPal account to your Wix website. Take your time to double-check this, as errors could result in issues receiving payments. Once you've entered your PayPal email, you'll see a Connect button appear. Clicking this will finalize the integration. If everything is entered correctly, your Wix account will be linked to your PayPal account. With these steps completed, you have successfully integrated PayPal into your Wix site. This not only makes it easier for your customers to pay you, but also enhances the professionalism and functionality of your website. Your customers can now enjoy the flexibility and security that PayPal is known for. Make sure to do a test transaction just to see everything is functioning as expected for that additional peace of mind. And there you have it. PayPal is now part of your Wix website. This streamlined process is designed to empower you and provide more convenience to your customers. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it, and remember to check for any updates Wix or PayPal might have to ensure optimal performance. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.